All right, this is a house that we're doing in Eldridge, Alabama. This is a house that actually does not have a way to get in the attic to run wiring. We're hanging a TV over the fireplace. We have to run power so that the TV could have power inside the fireplace. So what we did is we took off the side of the house, the opening up there, so that we can get inside. We're preparing to go up inside to run power from the fireplace back out. We got to run wiring through conduit so that we can get electrical to the TV in the fireplace. So that's what we're doing right now. We're out here in Eldridge, Alabama. Like be on the seat. I don't know how good it is. Battery that may be charged up. My other one is dead. Careful. When people ask us how we hang TVs, this is something we have to do a lot of times to run the wiring. You want me to go ahead and start the process of running all the Romex?
Yep.
All right. I'm gonna drill a hole in the fireplace. All right, I'll get back with you all later, show you all the end result. Good. Hello. What's up? What we're doing is we're cutting out for the power outlet so that we can put electrical behind the TV.
At a hotel? At a hotel? I'll call you back.
good. He's been doing it 12 years. Started at 8.
Wow.
Alright, got this one finished. Got the side of the house back on. We ran the power from the fireplace in the attic through this pole. Down inside the house, got our electrical put in. Everything is finished. Show y'all what we did with the power.
There's a place down there.
You got it on?
Yep.
Alright. TV's above the fireplace. And we ran that power right behind and put it in. So the TV has electrical behind it. She will be streaming. No wires are hanging from the TV. Shout out to Mr. Fernando Parker Jr.
Oh yeah, stay clean.